Hello, my name is Rajnish Yadav. I am from Group 371, General Medicine, Astana Medical University. So, my topic of practical skill is general inspection of oral cavity and abdomen and superficial palpation of abdomen. So, now I start. First of all, general inspection of oral cavity. We ask the patient to open his mouth and to show his tongue. In normal cases, the tongue should be clean, wet, pink and not covered with white coat. Okay, now general inspection of abdomen. In normal cases, the patient abdomen should be round shaped, symmetrical, participating in act of breathing. Also in the abdominal area, there shouldn't be vascular arteries and jellyfish head. Furthermore, there should be hepatomegaly on the left side, can be seen from the right side. Hepatomegaly on the right side, and the splenomegaly, because spleen is on the left side and the splenomegaly can be seen on the left side. In pathological cases, we can face to the towards abdomen. In order to define painful areas and lipomas, postoperitoneal hernias, spontaneous hernias, tension of abdominal muscle, we provide superficial palpation of patient's abdomen. So, first of all, you should sit at the right side of the patient. At first, we divide patient abdomen in three parts: epigastrial, mesogastrial and hypogastrial. The epigastrial is bordered by a bicostal line, 10th rib arches from the lower side. The mesogastrial is bordered by biliacal line from the lower side. Then we ask patient to raise up his head and stay in this position, held in order to be able to see straight muscles of abdomen. By straight muscles of abdomen, we provide a line after the patient divided into 9 areas. Patient abdomen is divided into 9 areas, and let me show you the areas. I am using the pillow to demonstrate the patient. This is our patient abdomen and I am on his right side. So we divide the patient abdomen into 9 areas like this way. Now this one is regio-hypochondric dextra, regio-epigastric propria, regio-hypochondria sinistra, regio-abdominalis fetalis dextra, regio-umbilicalis, regio-abdominalis lateralis sinistra, regio-iliaca destra, regio-suprapubica, regio-iliaca sinistra. Okay, if the patient has pain, for example, in regio-iliaca sinistra, we start palpating from opposite side. We provide superficial palpation by order given below. First in the regio-iliaca sinistra, second is the regio-iliaca dextra, third is in the regio-abdominalis lateralis sinistra, fourth is in regio-abdominalis lateralis dextra, fifth is in regio-hypochondriac sinistra, sixth is in regio-hypochondriac dextra, seventh is in regio-epigastria propria, third in regio-umbilicalis by clinging movement, and ninth in regio-suprapubica. Okay, now checking the muscle tension. First of all, tell the patient to raise up his head. Define the straight muscles. By the line of straight muscle, check its tension and the presence of hernia in pushing on the line. Now, the white line. Check the presence of hernia by pushing on the line. Now the conclusion of at last we are on the conclusion. The abdomen should be mild, painless, without lipomas, hernias and muscle tension. So this is all about general inspection of oral cavity and abdomen and superficial palpation of abdomen. Thank you.